Hey, all. So I have this quote, and I am on my desktop version of Creative Cloud Express, and I want to schedule this. So I don't want this to go out today. I want to schedule it. And for those of you who don't know, Creative Cloud Express just released a way that you can schedule your post to post to your social media so you don't have to do it immediately. So what I'm going to do, if you look up at the top, you'll see there's this new icon up here. Also, if you go over here to share, you'll also see there's this new icon up here that says schedule. What? So I'm going to go and click on this new icon right here, and it's going to take us out to the scheduler, which is super awesome that they have this. Now the scheduler opens. So it says new posts. Let's connect your social channels. Another thing I didn't tell you guys, this is my first time using it. I wanted to use it with you. So here we go. All right, so let's connect our social channels. So I can connect my social media to here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And so I can connect my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Facebook. That is so cool. So I'm going to click on connect. And my information should be in here. Yep. So all I have to do is authorize the app. I'm authorizing it. And now it's going to redirect me. And look, it tells me that it has been successfully connected. So I'm going to return to the scheduler. I'm going to do this with my Instagram as well. Personal profile. Let's see. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it to my professional profile. So we'll see. Let's see how this goes. Mine is just as smooth as you. I'll continue as myself. And these are my business profiles right here. So I'll go ahead and click that. So it'll connect to my business one. I also have another business one. Yep. I'll go ahead. Oh, look. You can also look. So you can connect it to multiple ones. So I have my HappieTeach. I'm going to connect it to that one. I have my HappieTeach says. I'll connect it to that one. And I have my Baglite Designs. I'll connect it to that one. So that is cool. So you can connect to multiple ones. I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to say, yeah. Let's see. Read all the information. Make sure that this is all that you want it to connect to. I'm good with all this. So I'm going to hit done. And now it's going through and connecting it. And now I have linked my Facebook profiles, which are awesome. So my personal profile isn't connected to it because I chose that one. So I chose the business one. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And then so now I'm going to connect this. So it's pretty easy so far. I'm going to hit continue. And I could choose what I wanted to allow. So if you want to restrict that, go for it. But for now, I'm okay. And then I can choose pages. So I have my Backlight Design page. I'm actually going to choose, let's see, this is Facebook. I think I'm going to choose so many pages, guys. So many. Look at that. Look at that. That crazy. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep it simple for now. And I'll choose my Backlight Designs. I'll click on that. And then I'll connect. And it is connected. So now I have all of these pages connected. So I can schedule this out and it'll connect to those. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to select the channels that you want the post to be published to. Right now I'm good with, I don't have any selected, so let me check. Connect. I'll select download. Let's see. I'm going to assume they're connected. We'll see in a moment. Click the specific date and time you want to schedule it. So these I want to go out today. What is today? Today is the 15th. So I'm good with that date. And then let me say, I'm going to say 5 p.m. It's scheduled at 3:18. I haven't figured out this part yet. Let me see. Click on a specific date and time to select. Okay. Once connected, your scheduled post will be published. Okay, so this was a tutorial. Just takes a little reading. All right, so I have these connected. I was able to click on that. Okay, cool. And then now read our Instagram publishing guide. All right, add media. This is the media that I want. So I'm gonna add this. I guess it's already selected. Let's see. Yep, and then I can view, crop, add alt text to this. I can click on the question. If I have a question, it'll take me to um, it and explain like any information if I need help with that. Okay, I can add a caption. I can say Ken Robinson, or I can say I love Ken Robinson's quotes. I created a design based on this. SRTIVE to JOY. Enjoy. Okay, so I can put this in here. I can put my hashtags in. I do have a list of hashtags that I usually put in here. But for now, I'm just going to try this out. I'm going to say, okay, cool. So if I click on the date, now I can change the time. I want this one to post at 4 o'clock p.m. Hit done. So today I'm happy with. I can also preview it as well. I'm not quite sure why preview isn't showing up yet, but we'll see. So I'm selecting these. I got to select channels maybe. So maybe that was why. And then everything looks good. I'm gonna go and grab my so I keep a note file. In my note file, it has all of my notes. I'm not sure why this isn't showing up on the other screen either, but I'm gonna copy these. So my Adobe Creative Cloud hashtags. Let me hide that. Let me put my hashtags in here. I can preview it. This is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna have the hashtags. This is what's gonna look like on each one. Oh, look! So I get the Twitter preview. I get the Instagram preview. I get the Facebook preview. So I can preview what it's going to look like on each platform, which I think is awesome. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And now the last step for me to do is to push schedule, which is awesome. Instagram options. Let's look at what this is. I can push this. Okay. I can push this through my mobile app, and I can add a first comment on Instagram. So that's cool. Very cool. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule. And guys, that was it. So I get a congratulations. I've scheduled my first post. If I need to change anything, click on the post to make some edits. Click a specific date to start scheduling your channels. Get out of here. Look how easy that was. So now if you know you want to publish but not want to schedule, use unscheduled posts. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Connect your social media channels. I've already done that. Learn. I can learn more. But look at this. I got the calendar in here. It's showing me that all of these are going to schedule a post. I can add new ones in here, and it was that easy. I promise you. As you can tell, I stumbled a couple of times. So I've not done this before. This is my first time doing it. I actually saved it because I wanted to try it a couple of times, but I was like, you know what? I want to do it live. Let me do it live with everybody so that whatever struggle I have, if it is a struggle, you guys will see. I have not even watched the video on how to do it. I wanted to see how to do this, how easy this was to do. If As a novice level, like not even knowing how to do it, and that was pretty easy. So hopefully you got something from this. Hopefully this helps you out, um, and hopefully this motivates you to go ahead and start scheduling your posts. I think it's an awesome feature. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully you're pretty excited, and I look forward to seeing your post. Ta-ta for now.